when somebody tells you that you have contributed to their life and your work has made a difference in someone's life, that's a very invaluable feeling. And you feel that you arrived on this planet. Your presence on this planet made some difference. Your life had contributed something. I remember I went to a school and I was invited as a judge for a symposium, and the symposium was going on and we were to announce the results. And at the end we announced the results, and there was a session which was going on, and the photographs were being taken, and I was post that I was about to exit from the auditorium, and I was about to, and at the corner of the I remember the door पे ना एक बच्चा खड़ा हुआ था, and he looked at me and he said, "Hello sir." I said, "Hi." I thought he's going to be any other student from the school, and he said, "Do you remember me?" And I looked at him and I said, "I'm sorry, but I can't." And he said, "You used to take my sessions." I said, "Oh, okay." And I asked him his name, and I asked him, "How are you doing?" He said, "I'm doing very well." I said, "I'm very happy to hear that. And how are things?" He said, "I would want to show you something." I said, "Yeah, please show me." And he pointed towards his badge. He was wearing a badge here. And I saw the badge and I was like, okay. And he said, "You remember when you would come for the sessions and you would say that, we can do it. If we follow the certain principles, if we do this, if we do the right things the right way, we'll be able to do it." And then he said, मुझे याद है कि आपने बोला था कि if a cook can probably move from his knife to a mic and do what he really wanted to, because he said, क्योंकि सर आपने कहा था कि आप भी believe नहीं करते थे अपने आप में, but you could do it. And he said, I picked that up, and I always wanted to be a head boy of the school. And when I would look at the other head boys and head girls, I would be like, wow, I think they are special. And today I wear a badge of a head boy. And I don't know how to put it, but I was emotional in the moment. And because there are feelings, there are things that you did something and that has resulted in someone's life getting much better. And you feel that you have made a difference. You have not just come here to do the basics and leave, but the value of your life has shown up, and it has transpired into something which is worthwhile. And yeah, that's that.